Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we've got the engine in the Chevy pickup. We're hoping to start it and see if we have any luck. Just for some of you that aren't up to speed, we've got a 67 Chevy 283 small block that we've put everything off of a 305 small block on there that was TBI fuel injected. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up, but before I do that I'm gonna kind of give you a little more details on the engine and we'll zoom in, see what there is. Okay, here is the 283. This is stock 67 block. I've used the front pulley setup, everything off of the 305 donor vehicle I had. I did end up going with aftermarket manifolds due to the ones on the donor vehicle wouldn't fit. Aftermarket air cleaner, which actually was already on this truck before this conversion. Got the 305 throttle body injection on there, 305 air intake. I know that it can be restrictive, but it's what I was going for. Donor vehicle, right? So heads, intake, throttle body, everything off the 305. Aftermarket camshaft, it's not the one out of the 305. This is not, the 67 block doesn't have the provisions for a roller motor, so it's not going to get that update. I did use the block off plate from the 305 block, so that was cross compatible with this engine. I also used the factory ECM off the donor truck, so that's going to be 305 injectors, 305 ECM, everything, knock sensor, everything off the 305. So I guess it comes down to it, we just need to fire it up and see if it starts. I'm also running the 93 model 4L60E electric shift transmission, so that is also running off of the shared ECM. So again, everything donor vehicle. I guess let's see if it fires off. It's going to be a little loud because, well, it's in a garage. It's not outside. I don't have the drive shaft and all that hooked up yet. I also don't have brakes, so it's going to be staying right here. Well, fired right up. I do have good solid oil pressure. Got voltage coming from the alternator. Everything in the cab seems to be working just fine. So that is my throttle body 283. It runs, got a lot to do still. Can't even drive the thing just yet, but hey, it starts, and that's what matters. Well, hopefully that satisfied everybody looking for an update on my throttle body 283. If you liked that, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, well, hit the thumbs down. Either way, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, don't forget to get out there and do something yourself.